How to add private notes to a flipbook. In Publuu, you can easily add private notes to any page of your flipbook. These can be short comments, reminders, or personal thoughts. Private notes are visible only to the person who adds them. This feature is enabled by default for all your flipbooks. In the Customization panel under the Menu tab, you can control this option. If the private notes switch is blue, your audience can add private notes to the flipbook pages. So, how do you add a private note? First, open your flipbook. In the viewer, you'll find two private notes icons, one in the top toolbar and another in the bottom right corner of the screen. You can use either of them. They work exactly the same way. There's also a third option. Simply right-click anywhere on the flipbook page and select Add Private Note. This will instantly create a new private note in the selected spot. Once you create a note, type your message in the text field. Remember, no one else can see your private notes. Also, keep in mind that notes are stored only in the browser you use to create them. You can choose the icon's color and drag it anywhere on the page. When your note is ready, click the checkmark icon to save it. That's it. Your private note has been added. You can edit the note anytime once it's open. To delete it, click the trash bin icon below. The note will be removed instantly. And that's how you add private notes to your flipbook in Publuu. Thanks for watching. Want to explore more? Check our full help guide at publuu.com.